Hello guys, this is Tex here, and today I'm gonna review about Yu-Gi-Oh! Sorry about I have ripped them only. Okay, let's see the box. Let's check it. Okay, here's the package. It's its name. Oh no, its name is started Yu-Gi-Oh! Shonen Gem. Jump started. Oh, that's my feet. Sorry. And here now is the box. You can see a picture there. It's the vector exhibitor. Let's go here. It's like that and that and that and that. I don't know. This is the list. After that, you can see the list. Let's go. Let's go inside the box. Let's open the box. Now this is what it's like. This is the folder. Like it's a plastic holder. Yeah, if you don't need it, just throw it away. This is the deck sheet. The deck sheet, and you can see the cards itself. Here are these are the cards, and this in the front of if you see in the video first, look at this. Look, oh, you can see this is the real card. It's gonna accept you like in here. If you buy it in the picture, if you the picture you will have this card like in the picture. Yeah, this is Inspector. Then let's go at the back. This is at the back. It's got a tornado here and here. Here. This is the Konami. Let's go down. It's like shimmering shiny. This is the name and it's dark side. It's a dark side. And yeah. And this is the statement. This is the picture. And this one here for I don't know. Okay, let's go look at this. This is all the cards in the pack. Is this. Okay. And that is it guys. This is Nightmare for